Welcome. Ever wondered how to build muscle effectively? Let's break it down in under 2 minutes. Ready, set, go. Building muscle starts with understanding muscle growth. When you work out, you create tiny tears in your muscle fibers. Your body then repairs these fibers, making them thicker and stronger. This process is called muscle hypertrophy. To build muscle, you need 3 main things: a good workout routine, proper nutrition, and adequate rest. Focus on a high-intensity workout routine. Train 3 days a week with full-body workouts that include compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. Combine these with high-intensity interval training, HIIT, for a powerful muscle-building effect. Perform each workout with intensity, aiming for 45-60 minutes per session. This approach maximizes muscle stimulation and recovery time. Fuel your muscles with the right nutrients. Eat plenty of protein from sources like chicken, fish, and beans. Don't forget carbs for energy and healthy fats for overall health. Muscles grow when you're resting, not while you're working out. Ensure you get 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night and take rest days between workouts to allow your muscles to recover. Stay consistent with your workouts and nutrition. Track your progress and make adjustments as needed. Remember, muscle building is a marathon, not a sprint. Now you know the basics of building muscle. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell for more quick fitness tips. Keep pushing and see you next time.